We typically review tech and smart home products on this channel and have done so for years now, but here and there we also try some new things. Today is one of those days. We'll be ranking the best mattresses of 2026. Now I know what you're thinking, buying a mattress is not fun. I know, but we all need good sleep, especially if you plan on spending most of the night gaming. So let us make the process of finding a good one a little easier by going over some of the best brands out there and why we like them. We received 5 full-size mattresses and spent the last couple weeks trying out each one of them in our guest room. We will discuss which one we like the best and why, and what we believe the other ones are best suited for. For example, if it's the best cooling mattress or best for back pain, as well as some general info about each one. Thank you to the Mattress shop for sponsoring today's video and sending us these mattresses for review. First up is the best overall mattress, and ranking number 1, which goes to Helix Midnight Luxe. This mattress stood out to us from the rest, and we found it to be the most comfortable to use while still being pretty well priced. The Midnight Luxe has a medium feel, which is perfect for side sleepers, which we both are. We usually lean more towards a firm mattress, but found this one to be really comfortable, especially since we tried it out after moving all of our arcade machines out of the old house's basement and into our new house for several hours that day. If you didn't know, we are in the middle of moving into this new house, so getting to go to sleep in a nice bed was just what we needed after all that physical effort. This mattress has multiple layers to it, including a premium pillow top layer, cradling foam layer, durable steel coils layer, and Duradense foam layer, which all help with the comfort and support. There's also several options to customize it even further to what you need, such as the Cool Force layer for more cooling and the Ego Align Contour layer to help with lower back pain. In general, Helix sells premium mattresses that get delivered right to your door, and they have some pretty nice extras, such as Sleep Quiz, which can help you find the mattress you need for your body type and sleep preference, free shipping, 120-night sleep trial, and lifetime warranty. While yes, we believe this is the best mattress of 2026, there was also a sleep study from Whisper that showed 82% of participants saw more deep sleep, and had 25 more minutes of deep sleep per night. It's also been selected as the #1 mattress by Forbes and Wired. But yeah, we thought it was pretty comfortable too. Ranked number 2, and what we believe to be the best hybrid mattress, is the Leesa Sapira Chill Hybrid Mattress. A hybrid mattress is a combination of foam and spring layers, which ends up giving you the best of both. Spring mattresses offer a more bouncy feel and airflow, while memory foam helps with motion isolation and added comfort for your back. We prefer the Leesa Sapira Chill Hybrid here since it delivered on these points, plus the added benefit of the cooling quilt top, which felt so nice to sleep on during these incredibly hot days and nights. The mattress has many layers to it, such as that ultra cool cover that we mentioned at the very top, a green flex bio foam layer for airflow and support, a premium support foam layer for contouring and enhanced airflow, a zoned lumbar spring layer for spine and edge support, and finally a durable support foam for stability and, well, support. You can choose to get it in 3 different comfort levels between plush, medium firm, and firm. As you can see, it's a very high quality looking mattress, and it almost feels like a shame to put covers over it. Leesa is also offering some nice extras if you want to buy this mattress, such as 120-night risk-free trial, free delivery and returns, and limited lifetime warranty. Ranked number 3 is the Brooklyn Aurora Luxe Cooling Mattress. And speaking of cooling mattresses, and though the Sapira Chill was good, we actually believe that this mattress deserves to be known as the best cooling mattress. It's a mattress specifically made for extra cooling, as well as zone support. You can select if you want it soft, medium, or firm, and you can add an additional cloud pillow top layer, which has a thermophase cooling foam for extra cooling and contouring. As mentioned, we really like this mattress for its cooling capabilities, which has come at a great time as it's been extremely hot here lately. It's truly a luxury to be able to sleep without sweating, even when it's hotter than usual. This is thanks to the thermophase foam layer, but also the quilt foam, which gives you moisture-wicking breathability. The other layers of the mattress help with comfort, pressure release, and support, including its copper-responsive foam layer, memory foam layer, VeriFlex transition foam layer, Ascension Zone coil layer, and base foam layer. These layers make the mattress great for pressure point relief and give you superior motion isolation, plus 3-zoned lumbar support This is fancy talk for a really comfortable, yet good for your body mattress. Brooklyn Bedding also has limited lifetime warranty, 120-night trial, and free shipping, which is always great to see when buying a mattress. Ranked number 4 and our choice for the best mattress for back pain is the Elite Hybrid mattress from Bear. We believe it's great for those with back pain thanks to how comfortable it is, plus its many supportive layers, including a Celiant infrared cover, a cooling comfort layer, pressure relief copper-infused memory foam layer, responsive support layer with transition foams, lumbar support layer with zoned ascension coils, and the Duraden space foam for added stability. You don't just have to take our word for it either. Even though we really felt like this mattress was the most comfortable for back support, it's also been endorsed by the American Chiropractic Association for having chiropractor-approved back support. As you can probably imagine, it's extremely comfortable. Plus, you can even choose if you want it soft, medium, or firm, and it'll still be good for your back. Bear mattresses are assembled in the USA and offer a 120-night sleep trial, free shipping and returns, and a limited lifetime warranty. Finding a bed that helps with back pain might not be something everyone is prioritizing, but if you do, this mattress is definitely for you. Ranked number 5 is our choice of the best organic mattress, and goes to the Birch Luxe Natural Mattress. If you care about what your mattress is made out of, not just how comfortable or cooling it is, this one's for you. We believe that this one will give you a lot of the features from the other mattresses we've talked about today, such as breathable fabric and comfortable layers, while staying natural and organic. The downside though is that it's more expensive than the others. But overall, the mattress has a very luxurious feel no matter if you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, thanks to its medium firmness. As mentioned, all materials are natural and organic too, with GOLS and GreenGuard Gold certifications. This mattress has many layers, including an organic cotton Eurotop that helps with breathability and moisture wicking, and it's just really soft. An optional Eco-Cool layer if you're looking for more cooling capabilities, a natural wool layer for cushioning, a firm organic latex layer for support, a soft organic latex layer for contouring and pressure relief, steel coils for support, and fiberglass-free fire protection for your peace of mind. The mix of breathable cotton, natural soft wool, and premium organic latex really make this mattress incredibly comfortable to sleep on, all while being good for the environment and without any non-organic particles. We've never really considered an all-organic mattress before, but we can really see why some would go out of their way for one. And if that's you, then the Birch Luxe might be for you. And that's it, our 5 choices for the best mattresses of 2026 and what each one of them excels in. We had our overall winner of best mattress, the Helix Midnight Luxe, the best hybrid mattress, the Leesa Sapira Chill, the best cooling mattress, the Brooklyn Aurora Luxe, the best mattress for back pain, the Bear Elite Hybrid, and the best organic mattress, the Birch Luxe. Please let us know in the comments which one you'd choose to sleep in or what you prioritize when looking for mattresses. For us, we really value the overall comfort and cooling, which all of these mattresses delivered on. Thanks again to the Mattress Shop for sponsoring today's video. You can find links to all of the mattresses below, as well as one offering 20% off if you go to helixsleep.com/CamXPetra. While you're down there, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more review videos in the future. We are also in the process of renovating our house and rebuilding all of our setups, so check out our other videos if that sounds interesting to you. We also post daily short-form content of both reviews and setup content here on YouTube Shorts, as well as on Instagram, and also on TikTok at CamXPetra. We have a website at CamXPetra.com where you can find links to all of the products that we use in our setups, so check that out if you're curious. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye.